welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys today because I received another bag from coeebags. This video is not sponsored, but this was a gift from Coe. So yeah, I'm very excited to unbox it together with you guys. I absolutely love the bags that I already have from coeebags. So yeah, I'm very excited for this new one. Yeah, you will see which bag I chose in a second, but first, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're excited for this video, don't forget to give the huge thumbs up. You always receive a gift bag when you order something from Coe, which is great, you know, if you are buying a present for someone. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So you always get some paperwork from Coe, so yeah, that's also in here, and a little cards, and then I will show you guys the most exciting thing, which is the bag itself, obviously. What I love is that the bags always come with lots of protection, so I never had any damage or anything like that. So you first have this plastic bag. So then the bag itself also got a dust bag, which is great to, you know, store your bags. I always store my bags in the dust bags, and that way they stay just nice and protected. So yeah, let's see what bag I chose. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at her. So this is the pochette Matisse in the reversed monogram. And look what a beauty. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So the pochette Matisse was on my wish list for the longest time, and when I saw this color I was like, that's so pretty and versatile, because you can wear this with an all black outfit, with like an army green, with beige tones. Like, it's so versatile. It will be great with red as well. And this is just a very easy bag for every day, I think, because you got quite a lot of place to put all of your things. As you can see, we will get that in a second, but yeah, I absolutely love it. So let's remove all of the plastic. As you can see, you've got loads of plastic everywhere, so it's nice and protected. Let me get my scissor. I also really love the gold hardware. It goes great with the brown tones, I think. And let's get this off the handle. So the handle is actually black, so let's get that off. If you have the regular monogram, you have a very light colored handle, and I also quite like that, to be honest, but I thought maybe it gets quite dirty easily, because, you know, you are always holding it. It also comes with a strap, which is probably inside, but yeah, you probably use this quite a lot, and if it's black, you know, it doesn't get dirty that easily, I think. So let's get everything off. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Let me know what you think of this color. So now you can see the handle a bit better. It's plain black, and you've got here Louis Vuitton. So I quite like a top handle. So let's remove the plastic on these sides, and then we will have a look on the inside, because the strap is there, I guess, because it's not in there. So I will put the strap on it as well, so you can see how that looks. So you also got a zip here, which is great because you can maybe put your phone in here. Then you don't have to open all of the bag, but you can just grab your phone. I think that it's very smart. Love that. So yeah, let's have a look on the inside. You just press these two together, and then yes, the handle is in here, or the strap, I mean. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's get this out as well. So yeah, you have the strap in here. Oh, that's so much space. I'm so impressed with that. As a mom, I quite like a tote bag or crossbody bag, and this is just quite a little bigger size. So you can still fit like some diapers and like other things in here. So yeah, for moms, this is also a great bag, I think. So yeah, let's get the strap out. Let's see. I love that the strap is also reversed, so you have a very beautiful brown color with dark brown, with a dark brown monogram, and obviously with gold hardware. So yeah, let's put the strap on there. You can also adjust the strap, which I think is always very handy because I'm quite tall. I'm 178 centimeters. But if you're smaller, you know, you don't want your bag hanging on your legs. So yeah, you can adjust the strap. So yeah, let's put it on. You put it here on the sides. So I just put the strap on there. I'll quickly show you how it looks. So it's little above my hip right now, but look at that. That's a great size for every day. So let's look at the bag a little bit more up close. So the hardware is super shiny and I see that I still have some plastic on there. So let me get that off so you can see it a bit better. As you can see, it's also here on the hardware. It makes it a bit more matte, but it's very shiny. So let's get that off. So I removed all of these stickers and as you can see, the hardware is just so gorgeous and shiny. The sides as well. Very pretty. You also got here Louis Vuitton on it, and then the zipper in the back as well, all very pretty and shiny gold. So I will give you guys a 360 so you can see the back. So yeah, this is the front. Love the stitching as well, very well done. This is what the side looks like. Love that you have a pocket zipper with a zipper. And let's test the zipper. It goes very smooth. I will put also my belongings in here a little later so you can see what fits. I love it so much. And this is what the inside looks like. So yeah, you press these two together and then you have 3 departments. The inside is also like a very soft material. I'm not really sure if that's leather. The outside is made of canvas, but the inside can be maybe leather. And the strap as well, I believe this is leather. But yeah, it's a very soft material. So let's see what fits in my bag. I just got some random things like keys, sunglasses, a wallet, a mirror, perfume, some lip products and my phone. So yeah, let's see what fits inside. So I just put the camera right here. So it's very easy to open the bag right here. And like I already said, you have 3 compartments. So as you can see, the phone fits easily. My wallet. I've got this little mirror. A little travel size perfume. You can hear my son in the back. Little travel size perfume. Little lip products. My keys, so it's right here so it doesn't scratch anything. And then I also have my sunglasses. So as you can see, lots and lots of space. The middle compartment is definitely the biggest. Then the front one and then this one in the back. That's the like most tight one, so you can also put your phone in there if you like to, or you can put your phone you can hear my son in the back, I'm sorry, or you can put your phone here in the back pocket like this. So I put the phone in the back now, and yeah, I still have lots of space. My camera will fit in here as well. As you can see, this is just great for every day. I can definitely fit Aksel his water bottle even in here, some diapers as well. So let me know what you think of this bag. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous, perfect size for every day, very versatile color. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and a huge thank you to coeebags for this gorgeous bag. And yeah, and I hope to see you guys very soon in one of my other videos. Bye!